So now we're going to the airport, guys. Oh, and I totally forgot to take my mic. So guys, I'm ready now. It is this time. Now we are going to the airport. But first we calculated that. Oh no, this is written portrait. I don't know how. Okay, restart. So guys, now we're going to the airport. I already told you. So let's go now. So actually, one thing that I am a little suspicious about. Suspicious? Well, see, I'm not really suspicious about, but one thing that what I'm gonna do is now we're gonna go to the airport, guys. Yes, but I'm a little suspicious that they will ask for you should put your phone on the flight mode and don't record in the flight and things like that. So maybe I cannot show the flight, but if they allow, I can. Okay, let's go now. And the reason I'm recording with the phone is that I am basically recording in the phone because I just want you guys not to waste my camera's battery, and I also attach my mic thingy here. If you can see, I can pull this, or if I push this, well, I cannot push a string, Oh no, car accident. Well, nothing. Hello, let's go. Okay, so let's leave right now. So lamps are turning on right now in the weirdest level here. So yeah, I guess my plane will fly right across this from here to there, right across the escape tower, and maybe we're gonna see like high speed. Yep, I guess our plane will go. I guess we will go to the India. I mean this side, so you can clearly see the plane going and going and going. So we're on our way. Rabbits are a bit of kind of shocked at what happened, and one thing that now we're in Sharjah. Are we? Oh no. Okay, so guys, this is our Luna and Oliver. We bought them with us. We're gonna stop, of course, not take it to India, but at least ride to the airport. But anyways, I have told them not to listen to me because I want them happy at least till then. So there you go. Bye. Oh wait, not bye right now. Means we will meet you at the airport, guys, I guess. So here at the airport, guys, Air Arabia. Okay, in the airport, the big lights facing upward so it does not run our eyes. So we're at the airport right now. So guys, we're at these gates for now, and it was a hodgepodge mess at the things. Yeah, it was really hodgepodge there. So now let's proceed to the final things. Yes, two things remaining as expected, I guess. Yeah, I expected two, I guess, but I don't know. I guess I have to take some water, guys. Water, one dirham. Mama, pani lele. So there is this machine, guys, where I need to put the coin. Ouch! I'm not good at putting coins in. So there you go. Okay, there you go. Now I can activate. Oh, come out, you little. Oh, it's cold. No, it's cold. Just Lay's packet. Need a little bit of it. Only 25 grams. It's 600 serving, so again 600 and actually no. Wait, I forgot to put my mic near to my face. So anyways, now we're at the airport. Now we need to wait for 11:15 before our flight comes. I can watch some YouTube videos that I have downloaded on my phone while eating a packet of Lay's. So we're at the, at just the exit gate. So let's go right now and board the A320 dash something plane, guys. So let's go. Shoo, 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 shoo. Okay, it's a long way to the plane right now still. I'll show you the plane too, but for now I need to get to the plane and I'm gonna show you the plane. Okay, so I flip the cam so you can see me. And by the way, this is my mic. Okay, so here we are, guys. This is my mic. Yeah. I am just too excited about my mic and I did it with the computer. Okay, so she's my mom. She's coming with me. And our luggage also I show you too much. Some they took, but they. Okay, so let's go and board into the plane right now. And guys, in India, between part 2 in India, okay? So part 1 ends here. Oh wait, no, but part 1 ends in India, guys. Sorry, I was just mistaken. Yeah, part 1, I make many videos in parts, but this video, no part. A full video, full long video that you can watch like a movie, drink a cup of tea, and that's it basically. Yup! So guys, this is not the normal thing, guys. It is. So we're talking about the bathroom. So okay, I need to go. So I've come back and guys here. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, so no. So guys, now we're boarding the plane, but we are not going by the big subway, that connects directly to the plane's window, but by the bus, guys. So I don't know, maybe a bus will take us. And I am right, a bus. OMG, we're loading in the plane, leaving from U.A.E and going to India. Yes. So guys, a little plan change. I'm not going to use the GoPro right now in the plane, okay? I'm going to only record with the Nokia G20 phone, okay? So I'm just going to keep the my GoPro in the packet, and all of the clip I recorded with the GoPro, I will delete those clips and use it in some other things like for exploding paterds in slow motion, or fireworks, or rockets, or paterds. Okay, a giant bus, guys. A giant bus. Yeah, a giant bus. I should not call it bus actually. I should call it bus. Yeah, a giant bus. Very big bus, guys. Yes. Oh yeah, I guess this is the front of the bus, guys. Is this the front of the bus? Mama? No, front hai na? Oh, so this is the front of the bus. I'll show you. Driver is not there, I guess. Okay, so bus has been loaded. And let's go. Okay, we have started moving. Yeah. We're turning. Where is the plane? Oh, there it is, I guess. Is it there? Is that the plane? I don't know. Oh, the engine is so literally big. Yeah, it's so big, guys. I guess I can show you. I don't know. Okay, it's okay. There are a ton of buses here, so I don't know. I don't know which is our plane, the big one or the small one. Okay, anyway, we'll see in here now. Oh, sorry, this camera got paused. I was just saying that I don't know which plane we are going with, but all of the planes are good quality actually. I guess maybe we're going with this one. I don't know. Maybe we'll load it before. Oh wow, such a big engine! Yeah. I guess we'll get close and then I'll show you guys. Oh, yes. We're going to this plane, really. Oh, wow. Such a big it is. Such a beast. Yeah, this is a double-decker A320, huh? No, it's a single-decker. Yeah, inspection going on of the engines and etc. Because inspection is usual, how to get out of this crowded bus and guys, we're doing it. It means the bus is doing it actually, and the plane, and the camp, and me. Okay, so we're at that. There are people crowded, but still I can show you something, guys. Yeah, let's see. So everybody excited? Me too? Oh no, my mic. Okay, there we go. Mic is there, phone is there, everything is recording. I don't need to keep my phone close to me. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. So we're getting off the plane, guys, right now. Real quick. Oh, on the ground. Okay. Oh, jet engine is starting, guys. See, the jet engine has started off that plane. That plane's jet engine has been started, guys. Okay, let's go. Yes, I can hear you. Oh, so let's go, guys. That's a giant. That's an aerobus. Okay. Oh, really? Yes, I know. Such a big engine. Here, huh? Yeah, here, guys. Caution. Oh, giant. Yeah, sir, this actually, sucks the hot air, this cold air in, and then heats it up, combustion, and pushes it back. This beast, guys, does all that, Yeah, see that. Okay, so what I'm saying, sir. So, guys, this is the starter unit, guys, which starts the engine, guys. So it supplies air here, starts the engine. I'll just take a picture of the setup. There you go. This is this back loader mechanism, guy there. Oh, sketchy. Oh, wait. Okay, we're in the plane, guys. So we're in the plane and we need to go to the very end. No, sorry, not the very end. And guys, an interesting facts about flights is that they don't have seat 13, I guess. Let's check that out first. Interesting fact, guys, let's check. Does it indeed not have?
Securely fastened when you are seated, insert the flat tip into the buckle and pull the strap. To unfasten, just lift the buckle.
الرجاء ربط حزام الأمان بإحكام أثناء الجلوس. لربط الحزام أدخل القطعة المعدنية المسطحة في المشبك ثم شد الحزام. لتحرير الحزام ارفع قطع المشبك.
If oxygen masks drop down, pull it towards you, place it over your nose and mouth, adjust the elastic bands and breathe normally. Remember, secure your own mask before assisting others.
في حال نزول كمامات الأكسجين اسحبها باتجاهك ثم ضعها فوق أنفك وفمك. اسحب الشريط المطاطي وتنفس بشكل طبيعي. وتذكر ثبت كمامتك أولا ثم قم بمساعدة الآخرين.
There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. 2 doors at the front, 2 at the back, and 4 emergency windows over the wings. Each exit is equipped with an automatic evacuation slide.
هناك 8 مخارج طوارئ على متن هذه الطائرة. بابان في المقدمة وبابان في المؤخرة و4 نوافذ طوارئ فوق الأجنحة. كل مخرج مزود بزلاقة نجاة أوتوماتيكية.
Emergency path lighting has been placed on the floor to guide you to the nearest exit.
سوف ترشدك أضواء الطوارئ الموجودة في الممرات الأرضية إلى أقرب مخرج نجاة.
Your life jacket is stored under your seat when instructed by the Firmly downwards. The life jacket can also be inflated by blowing into the red tubes. Do not inflate your life jacket until instructed by the crew and until you are outside the aircraft.
سترة النجاة موضوعة تحت مقعدك. عندما يطلب منك طاقم الطائرة ضعها حول عنقك، ثم لف الشريط حول خصرك واربطها بإحكام. قم بنفخ السترة عبر سحب المرابط الحمراء بقوة نحو الأسفل. يمكنك أيضا نفخ السترة عند الحاجة عبر الأنابيب الحمراء. لا تنفخ سترة النجاة إلا عند صدور تعليمات الطاقم وعند مغادرتك للطائرة.
Smoking and drinking alcohol is strictly forbidden on board, and all toilets are equipped with smoke detectors.
التدخين والمشروبات الكحولية ممنوعة في كافة أرجاء الطائرة، كما أن جميع دورات المياه مزودة بأجهزة كاشفة للدخان.
Read it carefully.
جميع التعليمات موجودة في بطاقة إرشادات السلامة الموضوعة في جيب المقعد الذي أمامك. يرجى قراءتها بعناية.
Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight with Air Arabia.
نشكر لك حسن الانتباه ونتمنى لك رحلة ممتعة مع العربية للطيران.
टैक्सी चली गई अब।
سبحان الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين.
टैक्सिंग हो रही है कि फ्लाइट टेक ऑफ हो रही है? इंडियन फास्ट
ومن العمل ما ترضى.
अभी दर्द नहीं हो रहा ना?
اللهم هون علينا سفرنا هذا.
नहीं अभी वो टैक्सी कार चली गई है।
اللهم أنت الصاحب في السفر والخليفة في الأهل. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من وعثاء السفر وكآبة المنظر وسوء المنقلب في المال والأهل.
Everything check, make use of oxygen mask, drop down, remove your face mask, so face shields, put your oxygen mask secured by pulling tightly, and breathe normally. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to be set for takeoff.
किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड पे जा रहे होंगे कम से कम। सोच रहा था मैं इसमें स्पीड मीटर डाउनलोड करूँगा क्योंकि स्पीड से जा रहे हैं हम। स्पीड है बता
2100 किलोमीटर जाने हैं 3 आवर्स लगेगा। बताइए कितना स्पीड होगा।
ये प्लेगा तो जीटीएस है ना, फॉर्मूला तो
स्पीड कितना होगा? कितने स्पीड में 3 आवर्स में 2100 किलोमीटर जाए?
ऑलमोस्ट 66,000 किलोमीटर पर आवर, कम से कम। Wow, what are you doing now? Bye. So guys, now it's getting blue, the sky, guys. That's so cool, guys. I don't even sleep, and how was that this time this night has passed like nothing, guys. Yeah, I need to get my chips here, guys. I'm hungry now.
अभी भर गया अभी।
यहाँ से निकल रहा है क्या?
ये बाहर निकाल, थोड़ा सा निकाल। चल तो रहा है ये, पंप चल गया आपका।
Bump, टुल्लू बम्प।
हाँ,
अंदर पानी भरता है।